Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Fish Attractor in Heartopia. Fish Attractor works almost like bait. It will help attract more fish and make more fish shadows appear in your fishing area. But the difference is Fish Attractor lasts longer and attracts even more fish compared to a regular bait. So it's super useful if you want to farm fish faster. And it will last for 1 minute. And how do you get it? First, you can get Fish Attractor as a reward from completing certain quests. So make sure you check and finish your available quests. And then second, you can buy it from NPC FA, this one. Just tap on her character and then just tap on fishing store like this and then scroll down, and in here you will see the Fish Attractor in here, and it costs, you can buy it with a start or a code like this. And then but here's an important note, the Fish Attractor will only appear in this shop after your fishing hobby reaches level 4. So if you don't see it yet, make sure to level up your fishing hobby first. And okay, maybe that's it. Now you're ready to catch more fish easily in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!